Hi fellow tubers, I'm back again. I have another little gadget here. This I bought this for my wife as well, just as the netbook. Like I said, she'll be traveling overseas, so I got her this nice little camcorder slash camera. It is the Sanyo Xacti. It is waterproof, and it is waterproof up to 5 feet for 1 hour. It also takes digital stills at 8 megapixel, and the camcorder records in VGA. It records to an MPEG-4 AVC/H.2.4 video format. It's very simple to use. You have two buttons right here, one for photo and one for movie. To take a photo, you just press and shoot. It also has a built-in flash as well. And to take a video, this button, just press the video and it records to stop. And here you have the zoom, the telephoto zoom and the wide zoom. Here you have the power and the playback. I'll press playback, and this is the picture we just took, and this is the video that we just took. Press play. And that's it. It is a very nice compact handheld unit. Let me power it down. Swivel screen, flips, closes. And this compartment holds a battery and a SD card. I currently have an 8 gig SD HC, and this is sealed. It is sealed all the way around. Like I said, it is waterproof up to 5 feet. Very nice little compact camcorder. My wife should get good use out of this. Like I said, it's a 2-in-1 unit, so she doesn't have to carry, you know, a camcorder and then another camera. So this can record and take digital still as well. So she'll be taking these two to her trip overseas, using this one to communicate with me, and using this one to take all her vacation videos and shots. Well, thank you for watching, and good night.